A trick with giant pretzels, a battle with a gummy worm, and shots fired at a tiny Mentos jar? Watch our giant versus miniature candy show today. Don't miss it! Welcome to the new talent show on air, Troom Factor, and our judges are here to rank the contestants. The superstar of Greenland, Beyoncé's BFF, beautiful and gorgeous Lady B, and the self-made rapper, the winner of 3 Granny Awards, the one and only Little Pum Pum. Our outstanding judges are ready for auditions. Oh, here's a cowboy couple from Texas. Their performance is not new, but it's difficult. You have to strike a jar of Mentos from your partner's head. Big Joe will be able to do that easily. And cute Bonnie is 100% sure about her cowboy. Fire! And accurate Joe hits the bullseye. I mean, the jar. Bravo! But the rapper Lil is sure that a true cowboy can do more than that. Come on, Big Joe. Show us how you do it in Texas. This time there is a tiny jar of Mentos on Bonnie's head. Cover a jar with acrylic paint. Cut Frutella into strips. And shape them into mini pads. Attach a Mentos label to the jar. Put the mini pads inside. The smaller the target, the higher the risk. Bonnie eats a few candies to keep her spirits up. And Big Joe covers his eyes to make the trick more dramatic. Aim. And fire! The judges hold their breath. The cowboy hits the teeny target. Bravo! It's a unanimous yes from the judges and the audience. Mime Dime is on the stage. He has brought his 2 sock friends along, and it seems like they are plotting a rebellion against their owner. The judges can't take it any longer, as well as the audience. Mime Dime gets a unanimous no and goes away. It looks like they let their owner down. A mysterious gentleman with a turban and a basket appears on the Troom Factor stage. He looks very much like a snake charmer. The gentleman starts playing a pipe. The audience is waiting for a snake to come out of the basket, but the snake is too shy for public appearances. The contestant doesn't give up. He is more than just a snake charmer. He wrestles with a giant gummy worm. Cut a corrugated pipe lengthwise. Cut out a strip so that it is about 1 inch wide. Cover the edges of the pipe with plastic wrap. And make a ball plug. Melt gummy candies in a microwave. Pour the melted candies into the pipe. Move the plug when the jelly hardens. Pour in melted candies of different colors. Fill the entire pipe. Interchange the colors. Take the worm out of the paper when it's ready. The judges are shocked. Lil Pum Pum can't figure out what's going on here. There is nothing interesting about this performance. But the snake charmer won't go away that easily. If the gummy worm doesn't obey, then he will eat it. Lady B loves this turn of events. Extreme worm eating? People love this kind of performance. They vote for him. Opinions are divided, but one thing is sure, the bitten gummy worm certainly won't win the show. It looks like the next Troom Factor contestant is lost in his own talent. This is a freshman rapper, and it would be better if he just kept his mouth shut. The judge Little Pum Pum can't listen to this anymore, and it makes Lady B sick. We definitely say no to this rap. Judging somebody's talent is tiring. Lady B takes out her compact gummies in order to have a snack. Cut colorful licorice. Take out the center with a straw. Make a package from glittering paper. Print out a mini label and attach it. The hungry judges will now snack on mini candies. Although these lifesavers are teeny, they still save the judges from getting bored, and the miniature size will help them sneak candies even during the live filming of the show. The judges are full and ready to see more talents. It's time for a magician with a magical hat to perform. Will he be able to shock the judges? The magician takes something out of the hat. These are milk chocolate pretzels. That's it? Hold on! The pretzels disappear as if by magic. Where are they? Check your hair, Lil! Lady B found them. Here they are, the missing pretzels. Except that they became smaller. Make mini pretzels from thin strips of yeast dough. Bake them for 3 to 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip the pretzels into melted chocolate when they cool down and let them freeze for 5 minutes. Attach 2 paper rectangles to foil. Cut them out. Attach a label and fasten the package. These miniature pretzels are so cute! The judges are fascinated. Little Pum Pum even tastes the teeny pretzel. But that's not it yet. The magician uses the entire stock of his magic and turns his hat into a giant package of unbelievably big pretzels. Roll yeast dough to make a twist. Make a big pretzel. Bake it on parchment paper for 20 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait for the pretzel to cool down and dip it into melted chocolate. Put it on parchment paper and refrigerate for 10 minutes. Use a Ziploc bag to pour melted chocolate onto the pretzel. Let it harden. Make a few pretzels. Attach foil to a big piece of paper. Attach a maxi label to the other side. Seal the package with double-sided tape. The giant pretzels are an excellent performance. The magician impressed our judges. He's the greatest pretzelman, and the judges certainly say yes to him. It's time to fix the judges' makeup. It's a commercial break at Troom Factor. Now the commercial break is over and Troom Factor is continuing. The most astonishing contestant is next to perform. This is Cutie Unicorn. She is the one who is able to turn a meal into a show. Unicorn loves Twizzlers. They are the best partners for her performance because she can easily make Twizzlers tiny. Cut thin strips off regular Twizzlers. Make a package from a clear wrapper. Fasten a label. Close the package with clear tape when it's finished. The judges are happy. Everyone would want to see a real unicorn at a talent show. This will make the highest ratings on television. The judges say yes to magic and unicorns. Troom Factor is actually booming. And what kind of wonder is this? A victim of the 1998 Rio Carnival? The mysterious magician Alfredo. Every one of his tricks fails. Juggling, cards, balloons? Everything's wrong! Alfredo must have entered the wrong door, and he happened to get onto the wrong stage. Anyway, the judge's verdict is obvious. Magically, say no. There is a guest from the Swiss Alps at our show. Fräulein Schnitzel grew up on the Alpine meadows. She understands cow language, and she can negotiate with none other than famous Milka. But now, Fräulein Schnitzel will show how tiny a Milka cookie can be. Cut a thin top layer off a sponge cake. Press it. Cut out a circle with a wide straw. Cut a gummy candy into little pieces. Shape them into circles. Put the gummies onto the sponge. Melt milk chocolate and pour it into a Ziploc bag. Cut off a corner. Cover the mini cookies with hot chocolate. Put the cookies into a cardboard box when it hardens. Make a wrapper from glittering purple paper. Add a Milka cookie label. The judges are happy with the result, but that is only half of the performance. They want more. Want more? Here you have it! Fräulein Schnitzel increases her chances to win and makes the Milka cookie as big as a cake. Whip 3 egg yolks and 1½ ounces of sugar to make foam. Add 2 ounces of flour and mix it carefully. Cool down 3 egg whites and whip them with the same amount of sugar to make thick foam. Make sure you add the whipped whites to the yolks very carefully. Pour the dough into a detachable baking pan covered with parchment paper and bake it for 20 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare 1½ ounces of gelatin powder according to the instructions on the package and add it to 14 fluid ounces of raspberry jam. Pour the mixture onto a plate. Put it into a fridge for 1 hour. Put the jelly onto the sponge cake when it hardens and cover it with melted milk chocolate. Freeze it for 20 minutes. Fräulein Schnitzel wants to treat the judges with the giant cookie. Cool Lil loves sweets. And the Maxi cookie can easily pass as the third judge. We say yes to our Alpine guest. Our Troom Factor comes to an end on this positive note. See you next time! Did you like our talent and candy show? Then write in the comments which candy you would like to give to your friends, giant or miniature. And don't forget to give this video a thumb.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that